tuning in. My name's Naomi, aka Curly Omi. If you're new here, please subscribe for more videos like this. Anyway, today's video is going to be about how to revive your curly hair. Honestly, my hair used to be super duper damaged. It was horrifying. Like, honestly, when I look back, I'm just baffled by how bad it looked. Like, I'm so embarrassed on how bad it looked, and I thought it looked good. But today I'm going to give you several tips on how to revive your curly hair. I'm also going to be inserting pictures of how my hair used to look like and how it looks now. Alright, so let's get started. So the first tip I have for you is to deep condition your hair. You should deep condition your hair at least once a week. If you have more, like severely damaged hair, you should deep condition more. But one of my favorite deep conditioners is from the drugstore. It is Maui Moisture's Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Hair Mask for dry and damaged hair. It's a really great product. I love my Maui Moisture. They're very affordable and it's very easily attainable. Deep condition your hair really helps with your curl pattern and helps moisturize your hair, therefore helping you retain length. Anyway, next tip I have for you is use a protein treatment. One of the ones I have right now that I'm using is Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment. I also love Aphogee's protein treatment. Protein treatments really help bring out your curl pattern. They help revive the curls. I remember the first time using the Aphogee one and my hair was super duper curly after. It was great. Like, I love it. Use those treatments at least once a month. I mean, use them once a month because you don't want to use them too often or they're going to make your hair dry and brittle. Too much protein is not good for a lot of curly hair types. Anyway, next product that I really love and recommend is Olaplex number 3. Well, I love the whole Olaplex line. Actually, I use the shampoo and conditioner as well. But Olaplex number 3 has really transformed my hair. It is a pricey product, but well worth it because it's just really great. It helps bond your hair back together. My hair was really damaged because I dyed it a lot. I mean, I still dye my hair, but I really take precautions with it. I take care of it. I do my deep conditioning, my protein treatments, my Olaplex. I use really great products. So yeah, that really helps. Next tip I have for you is to put the heat tools down. Heat tools do nothing for your natural hair. They do absolutely nothing for it. Nothing but damage it, and you don't want that. Like, if you want your curls back, please stop using heat tools or use them like maybe once every few months, which I do, and I get my hair professionally done when I get it straightened. Just be careful with the heat products. Alright, so next tip I have for you is get regular trims or do that big chop if you have to. If you really have to, just cut that hair because honestly, healthy hair over long hair is just way better. Like, you don't want your hair looking all stringy and straight while the top is curly and beautiful. Like, it just makes no sense. So the very last tip I have for you curly girls is to limit the use of sulfates. So please limit the use of sulfates in shampoos and conditioners because they are very drying to curly hair. I know once in a while you do need to use them to help clarify your hair, but most of the time we should be using sulfate-free products because they really dry out curly hair, and curly hair is drier than other hair types. Anyway, some really great brands that sell sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners are Shea Moisture, Maui Moisture, Cantu, and I'm sure there are several other brands that do the same. And yeah, so that's my last tip. But last thing I want to let you know is that any journey takes persistence, patience, and time. It's really going to take time for your hair to transform, but please be patient. There are going to be days where you don't like how your hair looks, but don't give up. If I can do it, then you can as well. And yeah. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Leave any questions down below, any comments. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!